Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Microsoft Excel Lecture 5. In Lecture 5 we will learn about charts and graphs. Why charts and graphs matter, creating basic charts. Stop formatting chart elements, customizing chart appearance and styles, using data labels and trend lines, creating combination charts and secondary axes. Why charts and graphs matter. Charts and graphs are powerful tools that can help you convey complex information in a clear and concise manner. They allow you to present data in a way that is easy to understand, making it more engaging and memorable for your audience. Whether you're presenting financial data, survey results, or any other type of information, using charts and graphs can help you communicate your message more effectively. By visualizing your data, you can highlight trends, patterns, and relationships that might be difficult to see otherwise. Creating basic charts. Creating basic charts is an essential skill for anyone who needs to present data in a clear and concise way. Fortunately, popular tools such as Excel or Google Sheets make it easy to create different types of charts, including bar, line, pie, and more. In this section, we will provide step-by-step instructions on how to create these basic charts using these tools. To start creating a chart, you need to have your data ready in a table format. Once you have your data, select the cells you want to include in your chart and click on the chart type that best represents your data. You can then customize the chart by adding titles, legends, and other elements to enhance its clarity and visual appeal. By following these simple steps, you can create professional-looking charts that effectively convey your message. Formatting chart elements. Formatting chart elements, such as titles, legends, and axes, is crucial to creating clear and effective charts. Consistency in design is key, as it allows the audience to quickly understand and interpret the information being presented. A cluttered or confusing chart can detract from the message and lead to misinterpretation of data. Good practices for formatting chart elements include using clear and concise titles, labeling axes with appropriate units and intervals, and using consistent colors and fonts throughout the chart. On the other hand, bad practices include using overly complex or vague titles, omitting axis labels or units, and using inconsistent or distracting colors and fonts. Customizing chart appearance and styles. Customizing the appearance and style of charts is a crucial step in creating impactful visualizations. By experimenting with different colors, fonts, and backgrounds, you can make your charts more engaging and memorable for your audience. However, it's important to keep in mind the purpose and context of the chart. For example, if you're presenting data on a serious topic like healthcare or finance, using bright and flashy colors might not be appropriate. On the other hand, if you're presenting data on a fun topic like social media, trends, or pop culture, you can afford to be more creative and playful with your design choices. Using data labels and trend lines. Data labels and trend lines are powerful tools that can help convey insights and trends in a chart. Data labels can be used to display specific values or categories directly on the chart, making it easier for the audience to interpret the data. Trend lines, on the other hand, can help highlight patterns and relationships between variables, such as showing the overall trend of a data series over time. Creating combination charts and secondary axes. Combination charts and secondary axes are powerful tools for displaying multiple data series in a single chart. By combining different chart types, you can create a more comprehensive view of your data that highlights important trends and patterns. However, it's important to choose the right chart type and layout for your data, and to avoid common mistakes such as using too many data series or cluttering the chart with unnecessary elements. In this section, we'll explore how to create effective combination charts and secondary axes, and provide tips on how to make your charts clear, concise, and visually appealing. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have seen that charts and graphs are the most effective way to communicate data and statistics. They allow us to present complex information in a clear and concise manner, making it easier for our audience to understand and interpret. By using visuals such as charts and graphs, we can also make our presentations more engaging and memorable. People are more likely to remember information presented in a visual format than they are to remember information presented in a text-based format. When designing charts and graphs, it is important to keep in mind best practices such as choosing the right type of chart or graph for your data, using appropriate colors and fonts, and avoiding common mistakes such as cluttering your chart with too much information. Overall, charts and graphs are an essential tool for anyone who needs to communicate data and statistics effectively. By following the tips and best practices outlined in this presentation, you can create clear and compelling charts and graphs that will help you get your message across.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.